Today, we're diving into the 8 key symptoms of a failing EGR valve. Spotting these signs early can save you money, time, and hassle in the long run. So, let's get started. But before we continue, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. An EGR exhaust gas recirculation valve is a critical component in many modern engines that recirculates a portion of the exhaust gases back into the engine's intake manifold, reducing nitrogen oxide NOx emissions. By doing this, the EGR valve helps the engine operate at a lower temperature, which results in cleaner emissions and improved fuel efficiency. Here is an expanded explanation of each symptom associated with a faulty EGR exhaust gas recirculation valve. Number 1. Rough idle. When the EGR valve gets stuck in either an open or closed position, it disrupts the air-fuel ratio entering the engine. If the EGR valve remains open at idle, exhaust gases continue to flow back into the intake manifold, leading to an improper mix. This can cause the engine to run roughly, leading to a shaky or erratic idle, often noticeable when the vehicle is stationary. Number 2. Engine knocking or pinging. The EGR system is designed to help regulate combustion temperature by reintroducing exhaust gases into the combustion chamber. When the EGR valve fails, combustion temperatures can increase, causing knocking or pinging sounds, especially when the engine is under load or accelerating. Persistent knocking can damage the engine if not addressed. Number 3. Poor acceleration. If the EGR valve is stuck open, too much exhaust gas may flow into the engine, depriving it of the oxygen needed for combustion. This leads to poor acceleration response and a general lack of power. On the other hand, if the valve is stuck closed, the engine may experience excessive temperature and other issues, reducing its ability to accelerate smoothly and quickly. Number 4. Increased emissions. One of the EGR valve's primary roles is to reduce nitrogen oxide NOx emissions, which are harmful pollutants. A malfunctioning EGR valve often results in increased NOx emissions because the combustion temperature becomes too high without proper exhaust gas recirculation. Higher NOx emissions can cause the vehicle to fail emissions tests, and it contributes to smog and air pollution. Number 5. Check engine light. When there is a problem with the EGR valve or related components, the vehicle's computer system detects it and activates the check engine light. Diagnostic trouble codes related to the EGR valve, often in the range of P0 for 00 to P0 for 08, may appear, indicating issues such as valve stuck open, valve stuck closed, or insufficient EGR flow. Number 6. Reduced fuel efficiency. A faulty EGR valve can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, causing the engine to burn fuel inefficiently. If the EGR valve is stuck open, it can introduce excess exhaust gases, reducing combustion efficiency and making the engine work harder to produce power. This can lead to increased fuel consumption, as the engine requires more fuel to achieve the same output. Number 7. Engine stalling. An EGR valve stuck open at idle allows exhaust gases into the intake manifold, disturbing the fuel-air mixture and potentially causing the engine to stall. This is often most noticeable when the vehicle is idling, especially after it has warmed up. Stalling at low speeds or when stopped can be a safety issue and is often a sign of EGR-related problems. Number 8. Engine overheating. The EGR valve is crucial for controlling combustion temperatures. If the valve is stuck closed, the lack of recirculated exhaust gases can cause higher than normal temperatures within the combustion chamber. Prolonged overheating may lead to severe engine damage, including warping of engine components or even complete engine failure. These symptoms can vary depending on the severity of the EGR valve issue and whether it's stuck open or closed. Not addressing a faulty EGR valve can lead to more severe engine issues and decreased overall vehicle performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car maintenance tips.